Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. When working with databases in Python, it's crucial to properly quote string values to prevent SQL injection attacks and ensure the integrity of your data. In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to quote a string value explicitly using the Python DB API with the PsycopG2 library, which is a PostgreSQL adapter for Python. Before you begin, make sure you have the following installed. Python. You should have Python installed on your system. You can download it from Python's official website. PsycopG2. To install PsycopG2, you can use pip, the Python package manager, with the following command. PostgreSQL. You should have a PostgreSQL database server running, and you should know the connection details, hostname, username, password, and database name. To quote a string value explicitly in Python using PsycopG2, you can use the PsycopG2.extensions.asis class or the PsycopG2.sql module. We'll cover both methods with code examples. In this example, we use the ASIS class to quote the input underscore string and then insert it into the database using a parameterized query. In this example, we use the PsycopG2.sql module to quote the input underscore string and construct an SQL query with proper quoting. Quoting string values explicitly when working with databases is essential for security and data integrity. In this tutorial, we demonstrated two methods for quoting string values using the Python DB API with PsycopG2. Whether you prefer using PsycopG2.extensions.asis or PsycopG2.sql, both methods help protect your application from SQL injection attacks while allowing you to work with string values in PostgreSQL safely. ChatGPT.